Hi students, how are you? So today we will learn a new method. In first video, we started questions with the plus sign, but today we will start with the minus sign question so that you can learn the relationship between minus sign and plus sign, like how signs are being multiplied and what should you write in the answer. Okay, means I want to say you like if we multiply, like if we have two terms like x minus 2 and x minus 5, so these are the two terms. Here we have minus sign in the brackets, so we have to be very careful. Often students make very like silly mistakes while doing these questions, so you should keep in mind like what should you remember, like whenever plus whenever we have positive, whenever we have same sign, so it is always positive, and when we have opposite sign like minus plus or plus minus, the product is always negative. Okay, so see, in this situation, how will we start? Very first we multiply x with this bracket, like x multiplied by x and x multiplied by 5, and then we will multiply 2 by this bracket again with x and 5. Okay, but we need to be very careful while multiplying signs. So here with x, here is a positive sign, so plus 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 x square, no worries. Then we will multiply x with 5, plus minus minus 5x. Now we have multiplied x with this bracket. Now we will start multiplying minus 2 with this bracket. Minus plus mi- minus, sorry, I wrote plus, minus plus minus 2 times x is 2x. Then minus sign, minus minus plus 2 times 5 is 10. So here is x square, here is 10, which is a constant, here is no variable. So these two terms are different. Only we can add these two terms because these two terms have same variables. So x square minus, like before doing anything, very first we need to see the sign of the terms. Minus minus plus. So we will add these two terms. We will add these two terms. 5 plus 2 is 7, and x will remain same, so it is 7x. Minus minus plus, we always write sign of the greater value. Which is the greater value here, 5 or 2? 5 is the greater value, and 5 has minus sign, so we will write minus with the answer. So minus minus plus, 5 plus 2 is 7, and sign will be minus, then plus 10. So this is the ending of our answer. Hope you have understood. Now coming to the next question, like a minus 3b, then 2a plus b. So here a question is little different so that you can understand. I'm writing the all scenarios so that you will not have any problem. So before doing anything, very first we see the signs. So plus plus plus. So a times 2a is a square. Then 2 multiplied by 1, 2 times 1 is 2. So that is 2a square. Then we will multiply a with b. So a times b is ab, plus plus plus. It is very easy. Then we will multiply minus 3b with 2a. So minus plus minus. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. Then a times b or b times a, both are same. And then minus plus minus. 3, 3b will be multiplied by b. So 3b square. You must remember, whenever we have same variables, so whenever We have same variables and these are multiplied, so bases are added. 1 plus 1, that is b square. B times b is b square. Okay. Now, what do we need to do here? We need to simplify. Then our answer will end. So plus minus minus. So sign of the greater value, sign of the greater value, plus minus minus. So plus minus, sign of the greater value is minus. So we will write minus sign with the answer. So 6 minus 1 is 5. So I should write near to it. Done. So now you need to learn one more thing, that is algebraic identities. Means very first we will we started with the brackets, we simplified the brackets. Now we will use algebraic identities. Identities algebraic identity or formula which are commonly used. Just for example, introduction, I will start with a plus b whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. And the second formula is, which has a negative sign, a minus b whole square equals a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so very first a question comes in mind, like how a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, or a minus b whole square equals to this term. So a question comes in mind, so I will tell you, like I will verify this formula. Okay, so now let's start. A plus b whole square, so this is the question. Okay, and how we can get this term, we will see. So let's suppose a plus b whole square means there are two brackets, a plus b, a plus b, both have power 1. So the product of these two brackets will be a plus b square. So what will we do? We will start multiplying these two brackets with the same method which we were doing. A multiply by this bracket and b multiply by this bracket, and we will start doing the solution. So very first, a times a is a square, a times a is a square, plus a times b is ab. So here is plus sign, so we don't need to worry about it. Plus b multiplied by a, ab, then plus 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 b times b is b square. So here a square plus 2ab plus b square. So see how we have got a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So let's say for your homework, try a minus b whole square. Try yourself. Like how you can get a minus b whole square product a square minus 2ab plus b square yourself. Try yourself. Pause this video and try yourself. Okay. Okay, so now hope you have tried and you have got the same right answer, but I am doing for you. So a minus b whole square. So it is same as the previous one. So a minus b are actually two brackets, power, and these have power 1. So there are two brackets. So very first we will multiply a with a square, then a multiplied by b, which is a minus ab, then minus b multiplied by a, which is again ab minus ab, then minus minus plus, which is equal to b times b is b square, and then we will get our final answer minus 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 plus, but both terms have the same sign, so we will write the common sign. Like both terms have minus sign, both terms have minus sign, so we will write minus sign with the answer. Minus minus plus, so 1ab plus 1ab is 2ab, minus 2ab plus b square. So this is the answer, so it is proved. Okay, so now whoever asks you how you have got a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, so you can tell this is the verification of this formula. So let's begin with a new example. So you may remember, like I have just completed this algebraic identity. We have learned two identities, a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. Okay, and we will be applying these formulae on new questions. So here, question number one, 2x plus y whole square. So we need to remember the formula. What is the formula? So we need to remember the formula. What is the formula for a plus b whole square? A plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula. So now with respect to this formula, we will solve this question. Directly, how we can solve this question and get the same product. So see, uh, consider this is term A, this is B, and this is a plus b whole square. So now we will put these values into this formula. How? A square. I'm leaving the space for each term. For A, I have left the space. For A, there is an empty bracket. For B, and then for B square. Okay. So now we will put the value of A, which is 2x now. Then again 2x instead of A, and then at the place of B, I write y and y in the last. Okay, so now 2, this square will be applied on 2 and x both. So 2 square is 4, x square plus 2 times 2 is 4, and then x times y is xy plus and y square. This is the answer. It's very easy because the formula is with plus sign. Very easy. Just you need to keep the empty spaces for the both terms a and b, and you can put the values to get the answer. So the second algebraic identity is a minus b whole square equals a square minus 2ab plus b square. And here we can see there is a minus sign between two terms, so we will apply this formula. Okay, so let's start. Very first, leave the spaces for both terms a and b. 2a plus 2ab plus empty bracket for b square, and then we will start putting the values. So what is a here? 2a. What is b here? 3b. So we are writing the values of a, right? We are writing the value of a, 2a, 2a, and then what is the value of b? 3b, 3b. Okay, so now 2 square is 4, a square minus, here 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 times 3 is 12, and plus minus minus, and a times b is ab, plus 3 times 3 square is 9, and b is square. So this is the answer. Now next term. So now try yourself and see like whether you have understood the question or not. Pause the video and start doing, and then wait for my answer. Hope you have tried this question. So here again we have a and b, and here we can see there is a minus sign between two terms. So we will apply again the same formula. And how will we do? We will leave the empty spaces for a and b in the formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So we need to write the values of a, b. Okay, that's why I am leaving the spaces. So here, what is a here? 3y. What is a here? 3y. What is b? 7. b 7. So 3 square is 9, and y square minus 2 times 3 is 6, and then 6 times 7 is 42. Like 2 times 3 and 3 times 7. 6, 7, 42. And y, 42y plus 49. So again, this is the answer. And here we have another term. Here, this question is little different from other previous one, because here we have already square on x and y. And how will we do this? We will apply the same method, same procedure. Leave the spaces in the formula for both terms a and b. So this is uh, plus sign between two terms, so we will follow this formula, a plus b whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. So what is a? X square. What is a? A x square. What is b? Y square. What is b? Y square. Okay. So already we have x square, means is already we have terms with square. So we need to write with square. Okay. So remember, the relationship between powers in bracket is 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4. We are not adding these powers. Okay, we are multiplying. We are multiplying like 2 times 2. So x 4. Okay, so this is the relationship between when there is a bracket between the powers. So 2 to 4, and then 2x square y square plus y4. So this is the hope you have understood all the questions and the formula. Tell me in the comment like what have you haven't understood, and what topics do you feel difficulty, so I will try to help you.